Renault's all-electric Renault 4 E-Tech has made its mark with a strong safety showing in the latest 2024 Euro NCAP tests. Designed as a partner model to the Renault 5 E-Tech Electric, the Renault 4 E-Tech benefits from shared engineering while undergoing its own set of additional crash evaluations. This compact 5-door hatchback comes packed with driver assistance technologies, offering a solid blend of innovation and security. In adult occupant protection, the Renault 4 E-Tech Electric achieved a respectable score of 79%. The structure of the cabin remained stable in frontal offset tests, with good protection for the knees and femurs of both the driver and front passenger. However, chest protection for the driver and rear seat passenger was rated marginal due to compression readings. Even so, the side impact protection was excellent, and the model earned maximum points in that area. Whiplash protection for all seats was also rated as good, supported by a well-designed head restraint system and a standard advanced emergency call system. When it comes to child safety, the Renault 4 E-Tech Electric delivered a strong 85% score. Crash performance for 6-year-old and 10-year-old dummies was top-notch, with all key areas well protected. It features a deactivatable front passenger airbag, allowing rear-facing child seats to be safely installed in the front. However, it lacks a child presence detection system that could alert drivers if a child is left in the vehicle. For protection of pedestrians and cyclists, also known as vulnerable road users, the Renault 4 E-Tech Electric scored 73%. The car's design provided generally good head protection and consistently solid scores for knee and tibia areas. The autonomous emergency braking system responded well to both pedestrians and cyclists, but it did not include cyclist dooring prevention in the test vehicle. Safety assist system scored 68%. The car includes an array of driver aids such as intelligent speed assistance, driver drowsiness detection, and lane keep assist. It also comes equipped with autonomous emergency braking for vehicle-to-vehicle scenarios. However, the driver monitoring system only detects fatigue and not distraction, and the intelligent speed limiter is not automatically activated by default. Renault offers this model in two versions: a comfort range with 150 horsepower and an urban range with 120 horsepower. The tested vehicle was the comfort range model. With a well-rounded safety suite, excellent structural integrity, and family-friendly features, the Renault 4 E-Tech Electric earns its place among modern compact electric vehicles that prioritize protection for both passengers and pedestrians. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest electric vehicle safety and tech reviews.